Welcome to the first year English student. The course Introduction to Computers. The lecture starts from page 196 up to page 240. This course is presented by Dr. Fايد. Chapter 6. Types of charts in Excel. In this chapter, students should be able to learn types of charts, enhancing Excel charts, pie charts, explode pie charts, column charts, combo charts, error bar charts, waterfall charts. Chart is a graphical representation of the data in the worksheet. Chart can be displayed apart from its associated data. If data is changed on the worksheet, the chart will change accordingly. Excel offers many different chart types as given in figure 1. You will see the column, line, pie, bar, area, XY scatters, stock, surfaces, radar, and combo charts. To create a pie chart, we have to do the following. Select the proper data, click Insert from the menu, then click the pie chart as given in figure 2. We have pie chart, 2D pie chart, or 3D pie chart. By clicking the chart and the icons next to the chart, you will get a finished touch of the figure. As given in figure 3, you will be seeing icons next to the chart, the plus, which is called the chart element, chart styles, and chart filters. These icons are used for the chart element, show, hide, or format things like axis title or data labels. The chart styles, it changes the color or style of the chart. And the chart filter, show or hide data in your chart. The pie chart is applied when data series is used, data is non-zero values or non-negative values, no more than 7 categories, because more slices can make a chart hard to read. To change the chart type, we have to do the following steps. Click the chart cell. From the chart tool, select the design tab. Then click the down arrow to open the gallery. There is down arrow to the right of the galleries to open the galleries as in figure 4. Then click the pie with percentage as in figure 4. You will get the percentage on each slices of the pie chart. To create a pie of pie or bar of pie chart, we have to do the following steps. Select the date, then click Insert. From the chart group, click the down arrow to open gallery. You will see figure 6. The open gallery, you will see buy to buy or buy to bar, as in figure 6. So figure 7 and figure 8 show the buy to buy and buy to bar, respectively. You will see from figure 7 the slices 50% in the pie chart is converted into a small pie, which is divided into 20% and 30%, which is called buy to buy chart. There is another type which is called buy to bar chart. These divisions of the pie chart can be converted into bar chart with 20% and 30%, which is called buy to bar chart. To add titles to chart, we have to do the following. Select the chart, then click the chart element plus button next to the chart as given in figure 9. Click this one. Then click a chart title or activate the left box with right arrow. Then write down the company sales as you see in figure 10. To create 3D pie chart, select the data, then click insert. From the chart group, click the down arrow to open gallery. Then select 3D pie as in figure 11. Explode pie chart. To make parts of a pie chart stand out without changing its data, we have to do the following steps. Click the pie chart area. Then click the slice of the pie chart to get this figure. You will see pie explosion. Write a percentage for the pie explosion with a proper percentage as in figure 13. You will see the slices are exploded. Or click each slice and drag it away from the center of the chart as in figure 14. To pull an individual slice apart, do the following steps. Click the proper slice, then drag it away from the chart as in figure 15. Column or bar chart. To create column or bar chart, click the data or select the data, click insert, then click column chart to get figure 16. To add axis titles of the column chart, click the bar chart, then click the chart element plus, then click the axis title box as given in figure 17. Click the axis title box. Then select primary and horizontal, vertical, primary horizontal and primary vertical as in figure 18. Then type the title that describes the data, type months for the horizontal axis and the revenue for the vertical axis to get figure 19, months for the horizontal axis, and revenue for the vertical axis. To add data series to a chart, we have a chart and we would like to add another data series to the given chart. We'll consider the following example, which includes 3 data series. Draw the column chart for series 1 and series 2. After that, add the series 3. This application explains how to add a data series to a given chart. For the following table, given table, seasons for seasons and the revenue for different 3 years, series 1, series 2, series 3, and will be changed this series into the years 2012, 2013, and 2014. Then create the column chart for series 1, series 2, then add series 2 to the chart, add title and access title, add legend to the chart, add data labels, then add a table to the chart. The solution: enter the above table in cells A1 up to D6 as given in figure 20. Add the data from the cells A1 ended with D6. Then select the data in cells A3 up to C6. Then click in there, click column chart to get figure 20. Select the data from A1 from A3 up to C6. A3 up to C6. Then you will get the figure 21. Remember that we selected 2 series just only without selecting 2012 and 2013. It will be replaced by the default name series 1 and series 2. To add title and access title, click the chart element, then add the title, company name, then seasons for the horizontal axis and sales for the vertical axis as we did before. To add the series 3 to the chart by dragging the size handle. Remember, this is size handle. The figure, it will be the above figure ended with C13. This handle is dragged to include the column D, start from D3, ended with D6. Automatically, the figure is changed by adding the third series as given in figure 24. You will see figure includes the series 3, series 1, series 2, series 3. To add legend to the chart, which is given series 1, series 2, series 3, click the chart element plus, then click legend. You will see the legend on the figures. To rename the legend, as you see in figure 24, rename series 1 by 2012, series 2 replaced by 2013, and series 3 replaced by 2014. To do this, we have to click the data click the chart, click the chart tool, then select the design tab. From the design tab, select data to get figure 26. We would like to change or to replace series 1 by 2012. So we have to click the edit icons from the figure. Click to get figure 27 as a figure. Then under series name, replace series 1 by writing or typing 2012 as in figure 27. Repeat this process for series 1, for series 2, and series 3 to get the following figure 28. Series 1 is replaced by 2012, series 2 replaced by 2013, series 3 replaced by 2014. To add data labels to the chart, click the chart element plus click the data label box. Data label box, as you see. The data labels will be displayed on the data. You will see the data labels, data replaced or displayed on the chart column. Add a table to the chart. Click the chart element plus, then click data tables. Data tables, as you see. The data table will be displayed under the chart, as you see in figure 32. Combo chart with a secondary axis. The combo chart is used when numbers vary widely from data series to another, or when mixed types of data are displayed. The secondary vertical axis shows the values for the associated data series. Combo chart shows a combination of column and line charts. To create the combo chart, we have to click the chart. Then click design from the chart tool. Then select a chart, change chart type to get figure 33. From figure 33, click the combo chart. Click the combo chart to get figure 35. From figure 35, which series would you like to add another vertical data? Say we have to select the series 2014 with the chart type line. Then to add another secondary axis, click the box to get right. Then press OK, as in figure 35. Then press OK. You will see another vertical axis on the right hand side which represent different data for the third data series. To add error bars to the chart. Error bars in a chart is useful to see margins of error and standard deviation. Error bars can be shown in all data points or data markers in a data series as a standard error amount, a percentage, or a standard deviation. To add error bars to the chart, click the chart, then select the data series. add error bars, click the chart element, click the error bar as in figure 37. You will see the error bar are displayed on the chart. For the data series, the error bar as given in figure 38. The most important chart, which is called waterfall chart. The waterfall chart is a special type of Excel column chart. A waterfall chart is also known as an Excel bridge chart, since the floating columns make a so-called bridge connecting the endpoints. It is used to demonstrate how the starting position either increases or decreases through a series of changes. To display the cumulative effect of sequentially introduced positive or negative values, to show the impact of each category or element, whether it adds to or detracts from the final value. The last column is shown as a complete column in order to show the final cumulative value. Application of waterfall charts. Evaluate company profit, product earnings, sales analysis, and inventory analysis. Steps for creating waterfall charts. To create a waterfall or bridge chart in Excel, we have to do the following 5 steps. Rearranging the data table, inserting formula, create a standard stacked column chart, transform the column graph into a waterfall chart, and finally format Excel bridge charts. These 5 steps can be explained through the following applications. Application 2. The following table indicates the sales flow of a company. Given the company sales 2014 from months January up to December, and the sales flow corresponding to each month. Use Excel to create the above table on Excel sheet. Visualize the sales flow over 12 months using waterfall chart. Solutions. The solution can be displayed in 5 steps. The first steps, rearrange the data table as follows. Insert 3 columns in Excel table and 1 row at the end of the table as follows. The rise column contains all positive numbers. Fall column contains all negative numbers. Base column to calculate the amount that is used as starting point for the fall and rise sees in the chart. End row to calculate the sales amount for the whole year. This can be seen in figure 39. You will see the start, the end row, the base column, the fall column, the rise column, and sales flow as in figure 39. The second step, insert formula. In cell C4 under the fall column, write the following for the fall, which includes all the negative values, with replacing the sign by a positive value, and the rise includes the positive values. This can be done by writing the if functions in C4 equal if check whether E4 less than or equal 0. If E4 less than or equal 4, then the value of E4 will be a negative value. Then replace the negative value E4 by its positive. This can be done by multiplying a negative by the value in E4. If the condition is not true, replace 0. Click the autofill to copy the formula up to C16. The autofill, select the autofill, then until to reach it to C16 as in figure 40. The autofill, you know, this is autofill, click it until to get. Remember, all the negative values are from the column E is transferred to column C with a positive sign, and the positives are transferred into zeros, and the vice versa will occur in the rise column. All the positive value will be transferred to the rise column, and the negative values is replaced by 0. This can be done by writing the following formula. Click the cell D4, then write the following statement: equal sign if check whether E4 greater than 0, then leave it E4. If it is not, replace it by 0. Then click the autofill to copy the formula up to D16 until to reach it to D16. This can be seen in figure 41. All the positive value is transferred to the rise column, and the negative value is replaced by zeros. Remember, the last column E is converted into the positive values and the negative values, which are written in the fourth column and the rise column. So there is no need for the column E. Click the cell B5. Click cell B5 and write to calculate the base. Write the following equation: equal sign P4 plus D4 minus C5. Then click the autofill to copy the formula up to B17. Then write the formula in B5, then click the autofill until to reach it to B17. As in figure 42. Click the autofill, you will get the base for each month. Then create the standard stacked column chart. We have to select the data, start from A3, end with D17. So select the data from A3 up to D17, including the column and row headers. Exclude the sales flow column, since the sales flow column is transferred into the rise and fall column. Click Insert tab from the chart group, select Insert Column Chart icon and choose Stacked Column as in figure 43. The graph appears in the worksheet like a waterfall chart in figure 44, and the table selected will be seen in figure 45. It will see as waterfall chart as in figure. The waterfall will be obtained by removing the base with color bloom. In the table, you see the table selected from A3 up to D17. Transform the column graph into a waterfall chart. The base series must be invisible to get a waterfall chart from the stacked column. This can be obtained by using the following steps. Click the base series on the graph. Click the base series on the graph. It will be selected. Then right click on the base series. Then select Format Data Series. As you see, Format Data Series. We would like to remove the base series or to make it invisible. Select Format Data Series. From the Format Data Series, under the fill, select No Fill. And under Border, select No Border. You will see the database series are invisible. As you see in figure 48, all the data series are invisible. We would like to change the colors for the start, end, the fall and rise chart. To change any color, you have to select the proper color. Select whatever you like to replace the color. Say, for example, Format Excel Bridge. To finish the formatting of Excel Bridge chart, we have to select the proper color. So select the fall one. Select the fall series in the chart, then click Format tab from the chart tool, then click Shape Fill in the Shape Style group, pick the proper color from the down menu. As you've seen, to change the colors, you will get the start and the end with color, with the same color, and the fall with color, and the rise with another color, which is the last figure, which represents the fluctuation of the sales flow over the 12 months. We have the start value and the end value and the fall and the rise, which represent a bridge or waterfall chart, as you see in figure 49. Thank you very much. See you again.